Good evening. Do you have a table for two?
Good evening. Yes, please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table. Would you like the menu?
Yes, please. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken burger and fries.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a cold soda, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Excuse me. What do you recommend?
Our pasta and grilled chicken are very popular.
Is the pasta spicy?
No, but we can make it spicy if you like.
That sounds good. I'll take it. How is the food here?
It's really good. I like the taste.
What are you eating?
I'm having grilled chicken with rice.
Sounds delicious. Is it spicy?
No, it's mild but very flavorful.
I ordered pasta. It smells amazing.
Yes, their pasta is famous.
The portion size is also good.
I agree. It's worth the price.
Would you come here again?
Definitely. I'll recommend this place to others.
I also like how fresh the food tastes.
Yes, everything feels freshly cooked.
The sauce is very rich and creamy.
True. And it's not too oily.
How about the bread?
It's soft and warm. I love it.
The chef really did a great job.
Absolutely. The flavors are well balanced.
Should we try dessert?
Yes, I've heard their chocolate cake is amazing.
Let's order one and share it.
Great idea.
This restaurant has such a comfortable atmosphere.
Yes, it feels calm and welcoming. I like places like this.
The lighting is soft, and the music is relaxing.
That really adds to the dining experience.
Have you noticed how nicely the food is presented?
Yes, presentation matters a lot. It makes the food more enjoyable.
I always feel more excited to eat when the dish looks good.
Same here. We eat with our eyes first.
Let me taste your dish.
Sure, go ahead.
Wow. This is really tender.
The chicken is cooked perfectly. It's juicy, not dry.
The spices are balanced well.
Yes, nothing is overpowering.
I hate food that's too salty.
Me too. This one is just right.
Tre me pasta.
Okay. Oh, this is creamy and smooth.
The sauce melts in your mouth.
I can taste the cheese and herbs clearly.
They didn't overcook the pasta either.
That's important. Overcooked pasta ruins the dish.
Exactly. It should be soft, but firm.
The vegetables also taste fresh.
Yes, they are crunchy, not soggy.
Fresh ingredients make a big difference.
You can tell when a restaurant uses quality products.
Do you often eat out?
Not every day, but I enjoy it on weekends.
Same here. It feels like a small break from routine.
And no cooking or cleaning.
That's the best part.
What kind of food do you usually prefer?
I like continental and Asian food.
Interesting. I enjoy Italian and local dishes more.
This place combines both styles nicely.
Yes, the menu is quite diverse.
I noticed they also have vegetarian options.
That's good. Everyone should have choices.
Some restaurants ignore vegetarians completely.
True, but good restaurants cater to everyone.
How do you feel about spicy food?
I like mild to medium spice.
I prefer spicy food, but not too extreme.
Balance is key.
Exactly. Too much spice hides the real flavor.
Well said.
The rice here is also well cooked.
Yes, each grain is separate.
That shows the chef's skill.
A good chef pays attention to small details.
Have you been to this restaurant before?
No, this is my first time.
Mine too, but I'm impressed already.
Same here.
The staff is also polite and attentive.
They check on us without being annoying.
That's perfect service.
Agreed.
Sometimes waiters interrupt too much.
Or they disappear when you need them.
Thankfully, this place has a good balance.
Yes, they're professional.
I think this restaurant is good for families.
Definitely. It's clean and spacious.
Also suitable for friends and business meetings.
The environment is versatile.
I'm already feeling full, but I don't want to stop eating.
That's the sign of good food.
True. When food is delicious, you forget your limits.
But we should save room for dessert.
Yes, dessert is important.
What dessert do you like most?
I love chocolate-based desserts.
I prefer light desserts like cheesecake or ice cream.
Let's order one chocolate dessert and one light dessert.
Great idea. We can share both.
Sharing makes it more fun.
And we get to try more flavors.
I'll call the waiter.
Okay,
Excuse me, could we see the dessert menu?
thank you.
The chocolate lava cake looks tempting.
And the vanilla cheesecake looks amazing.
Let's order both.
Yes, please.
While we wait, tell me what makes a restaurant good for you?
For me, it's taste, cleanliness, and service.
Same here. Price matters too, but quality is more important.
I don't mind paying more for good food.
Exactly. Cheap but bad food isn't worth it.
A good meal is an experience.
Food connects people.
Yes, it brings people together.
Many memories are made around food.
Family dinners, celebrations, and outings.
This meal will also be a nice memory.
I agree.
Here comes the dessert.
Wow. It looks delicious.
The chocolate is melting already.
The cheesecake looks smooth and creamy.
Let's taste the chocolate cake first.
Okay,
Oh, wow, the center is warm and gooey.
that's perfect lava cake.
The sweetness is just right.
Not too sugary.
Now the cheesecake.
It's light and refreshing.
I like how it's not heavy.
Yes, a perfect ending to the meal.
I'm really satisfied.
Me too.
I feel comfortably full now.
Same here. Not too heavy. Not hungry either.
That's the best feeling after a meal.
Yes, satisfied but relaxed.
I think the chef understands balance very well.
Definitely. Nothing felt rushed or careless.
Even the dessert portions were perfect.
Enough to enjoy without feeling guilty.
Do you usually eat dessert after meals?
Not always, but I make exceptions for good places.
Same here. Bad dessert can ruin a good meal.
Very true.
Luckily, this one ended on a high note.
Yes, a strong finish matters.
If you had to rate this restaurant, what would you give it?
I'd say 8.5 out of 10.
That's a solid rating.
What about you?
I'd give it a 9.
Wow, that's impressive.
It exceeded my expectations.
Mine too. Honestly.
I was worried it might be overrated.
Same. Online reviews can be misleading.
Yes, some places look good only on photos.
But this one delivers in reality.
Taste never lies.
Exactly.
I appreciate how clean everything is,
Cleanliness builds trust instantly.
especially in restaurants.
Hygiene is non-negotiable.
Did you notice the open kitchen design?
Yes. I like that transparency.
It shows confidence in their work.
And it reassures customers.
I also liked how quickly the food arrived.
Yes, not too fast, not too slow.
That means the food was freshly prepared.
Exactly.
Fast food comes too quickly.
And fine dining takes too long sometimes.
This place is nicely balanced.
Agreed.
Would you bring your family here?
Yes, especially for dinner.
I'd bring friends too.
It's perfect for gatherings.
The seating arrangement is comfortable.
Plenty of space. Not crowded.
Noise level is also reasonable.
You can actually have a conversation.
That's rare these days.
Very rare.
Some places are too loud.
Or too quiet and awkward.
This one feels natural.
Yes, like a place you can stay longer.
I wouldn't mind sitting here for another hour.
Same. It doesn't feel rushed.
The staff isn't pressuring us to leave.
That's good hospitality.
Hospitality makes customers return.
Exactly.
Food brings people in once.
Service brings them back.
Well said.
Thanks.
Do you like trying new restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Me too, especially local restaurants.
Local food has more soul.
And unique flavors.
Chain restaurants feel repetitive.
Yes, predictable and boring.
This place has character.